Welcome to the Make Things Happen 2026 event. We have here our humanoid robot.
We're here showing kids how to build robots and really inspire the innovation.
A pendulum painting. Basically, this is all about gravitational pull. We're doing Lego printing. We are making pictures with Legos.
This is escalator without a motor. It's made with cardboard and paper.
What do you think will add some magic butterflies?
This stand we have where we can use the conductors of electricity to play games.
This is a puzzle station with brain puzzles.
Every student gets to design their own button, as you can see here.
We're making 3D shapes and we're going to put them into this soap water to make bubbles.
And they're trying to push the other one outside. We have another robot here that is doing a little dance.
Here we had a digital microscope. We can explore bacteria and germs.
Yes! We are absolutely living in the future, and I'm very much excited about the generation's future right now. This is exactly the future that our students are getting ready for.
I wanted to thank to everyone, all of families, students, parents for showing up here.